We drive through breathtaking landscapes, discover their natural beauties and explore cities like Sarajevo, Mostar and Trebinje with their unique history. Join us on a journey through the heart of the Balkans. Let's go to Bosnia and Herzegovina. Via Tesanj we get to Jajce, where we spend our first night. Impressive are the watermills of Jajce, which you can visit for free. The next day we go to Mostar. We follow the Neretva river and one of the most beautiful roads in Bosnia, the E73. The city of Mostar is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Bosnia and Herzegovina, thanks to the old bridge, the Ottoman handicraft district and numerous historical buildings. Stari Most has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2005. Jumping from the 21-meter high bridge has been a tradition since at least 1664. The Dervish Monastery at the Buna Spring is easy to reach from Mostar. Kravica waterfalls are the most famous natural spectacle in Herzegovina. The town of Trebinje is situated in the very southeast of Herzegovina, which lay on the medieval trade route from Dubrovnik to Bosnia and Serbia. the way to Sarajevo we crossed the Sutjeska National Park, one of the last primeval forests in Europe. In the capital we walked through bazaars and craft streets. Don't forget to taste the traditional cuisine. Hello Sarajevo!